If you're bored of playing the same old drum fills and you want to do something a little bit more interesting, try this. This goes out particularly to drummers who haven't been playing very long, / you don't really go much past playing your eighth notes around the kit. And if you do, things go out of time quite frequently. This is the thing for you. So all we're doing is 1 and and we're going to play right, right, left over and over again. So you get right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left. Something you can do to help you stay in time while you're doing that is to accent the number. So you get 1 and making sure that the sticking stays correct. So right, right, left, right, 3, 4. And it's helpful because we have a nice big gap after that initial hit as well. So get long, short, short. 3, 4, and What we can do with that accent then is move it around the kit. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I suggest you try and count out loud while you do it, as long as it's not to the detriment of the sticking pattern. Sticking pattern rules all. If I mix it with just eighth notes, for example, you can start to get a bit more creative with it, and that's exactly what we want. We want to start improvising our drum fills, and now you know where you are because you're accenting the 1. Whoa! Problem solved, right? Well, kind of. What I've taught you here is one rhythm that helps you to dip your toe into improvising around the kit with a lot of rules. And that's how you want to learn how to do it. You want to give yourself limitations that you then play around within. But that's just one option. So what do you do next? Good news, I've created a 28-day bootcamp to help you do just that. Now, being able to do that in 28 days might seem like a tall order, but because of the way we've done it, it is basically bomb-proof. And if you want to find out more information, just follow the link that is up in our bio.